In a quaint little town lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily. She had a deep love for animals and often helped strays find their way home. One evening, as she was returning from school, she heard faint meowing near the bushes. Curious, Lily followed the sound and found a tiny, adorable kitten hiding amongst the leaves. The poor kitten seemed lost and scared. Lily's heart melted with compassion as she gently picked up the little creature. It was too late to knock on doors, so she decided to take the kitten home for the night and search for its owner the next day. Lily gave the kitten a saucer of milk and a cozy corner to sleep in. The kitten purred with contentment, feeling safe in Lily's warm embrace. Throughout the night, Lily stayed awake, occasionally stroking the kitten to assure it that it was not alone. The next morning, Lily went door to door in the neighborhood, asking if anyone had lost a kitten. But to her disappointment, no one claimed the adorable little furball. She decided to keep the kitten temporarily, hoping its owner would eventually show up. As the days passed, Lily and the kitten developed a strong bond. The kitten seemed to have chosen Lily as its forever home, and Lily couldn't resist keeping it. She named the kitten Whiskers and showered it with love and care. Whiskers grew into a mischievous and playful cat. He and Lily became inseparable companions, and everyone in the town admired their beautiful friendship. Lily's heart was filled with joy, knowing that she had given a loving home to a little lost soul. One sunny afternoon, Lily and Whiskers were playing in the garden when they saw a poster on the community board. It was a missing kitten notice with a picture that looked exactly like Whiskers. Lily's heart sank, and she knew she had to do the right thing. Though it was difficult, she called the number on the poster and told them about the kitten. A teary-eyed woman arrived at Lily's house later that day. It was evident that she loved the kitten dearly. Lily handed Whiskers over with a heavy heart, knowing that she was doing what was best for him. The woman thanked Lily for taking care of Whiskers and offered her a small reward as a token of gratitude. As Lily watched Whiskers leave with his rightful owner, a mix of sadness and happiness washed over her. She knew she had made the right decision, but saying goodbye to her dear friend was not easy. Despite the loss, Lily felt proud of herself for helping a lost kitten find